clarinets, we're going to go through all of our concert sheet with helpful tips for what to remember about clarinet. So we're going to start with hot cross buns. We just have E, first finger, D, 2 fingers, C, 3 fingers, and remember that your thumb is on the hole in the back of the clarinet there. We're going to use our tongues. We want our teeth anchored, and we're sitting up very, very tall. Here we go with hot cross buns. 1, 2, ready, play. You want to ask yourself, did I use my tongue? Did it tap the reed really quickly, especially on that C, 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 D, 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 D part? And we're going to scroll down, and the next one is Au clair de la lune. It still has the same 3 notes, C, 3 fingers, D, 2 fingers, E, 1 finger. We start on the C, make sure you're using your tongue, sit up very tall, and here we go. 1, 2, ready. Remember, after we're done with a song, we freeze because the audience is going to clap for us, and we don't want to make it weird for them. So if you scroll down, next one you have is Mary Had a Little Hippopotamus, and that one also just has E, D, and C. Make sure that you are using your tongue, that your teeth are anchored on top. Your left hand is the one that's on top, and I know sometimes on the video it looks backwards, so you just have to make sure left hand on top, right hand is on the bottom. That's going to be especially important when we start playing the A note in some of the songs that we have coming. Here we go. So Mary Had a Little Hippopotamus. We're going to start on our E note. E, D, C, D, E, E, E. D, 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 E, E, E. E, D, C, D, E, E, E. D, D, E, D, C. Here we go. Making sure our teeth are anchored. And we're keeping our cheeks in if we can. Left hand on E fingers. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. Freeze afterwards. We're going to scroll down to the next one. This is Down by the Station. This also has only C, D, and E, but this one's a little bit trickier because we don't always just go right in a row C, D, E or E, D, C. Here we go. Let's try it. Teeth are set. Fingers set at C note. 1, 2, ready, play. Notice that I'm using my tongue. I'm not puffing my air for each note, so it's not. It's. So listen to yourself and see if you're using your tongue and making sure your air just goes like this. If you scroll down to the next one, it's Baby Shark, and we are going to play it 2 times through. So you play the first, if you're looking at level 1, you're going to play the first line 3 times, and then the second line and then play the first line 3 times, and then play the second line. If you're looking at level 2 or boss level, you're gonna play the whole thing 2 times through. It does have a different note, so we're gonna show you those. It has a C, which is 3 fingers, you already know that, D, and then the F is just this hole with your thumb. So it's C, D, F, 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 C, D, F, 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 F. Just like that. We're gonna give it a try. We're gonna play it 2 times through. 1, 2, ready, and go. Repeat. Nice job. We're going to scroll down and go to the next one, hot to go. This has a lot of different notes that you need to know, so I'm going to go through these before we try to play it. You can look at level 1, 2, or boss level. The first note is a B2, so that's C plus the naughty finger on that second hole there. So B2 is like that. There is a B1, B flat one, but we don't have that in this song. All our B's are going to be naughty finger, B. So B2, D, 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 E, D, E, D. So you know all those D's and E's. Back to B2, so C plus the second finger, D. G is no fingers, not even your thumb. Then A is this button right here. And you want to hit it with kind of the side of your finger there. You don't want to have to go like this, because if you have to get back to that note, then you can't do it so easily. So we just go A right there. So it's going to be B2, D, G no fingers, A, and then we have kind of a cheating note. It's A star. So A plus your top side key, and you're going to hit it with the knuckle of your first finger here. So A star, we're going to push this guy in. Then it goes A, G. So we're gonna try the last half of it, starting at B2, D, G, A star, A, G. So here we go, popping the fingers. It's B2, D, G, no fingers, A star, A, G. We're gonna try hot to go just 1 time through, really slow. 1, 2, ready, go. We're gonna do it again, and I'm gonna move a little closer so you can see my fingers. 1, 2, ready, and go. All right, now we're gonna try it 2 times through. So if you're looking at level 1, repeat that line. If you're looking at level 2 or 3, then just both lines all the way through. And we're gonna go at tempo that we're gonna try it for the concert. So here we go, 2 times through. 1, 2, ready, play. You can do that as many times as it takes for you to be able to learn it, or you can just do the first half or just the second half. I think the second half's a lot harder. We're gonna go on to Sunroof. We might not be able to play this for the concert, but it's kind of a fun one to do anyways. In this case, we are using the notes C, D, E, F thumb, G no fingers. And those are all of the notes that we're using for this one. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go a little bit slow. And actually, let's pop it first. Here it is, and 1. G, 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 F, E, D, E, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, G, G, F, E, 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 D, D. We're gonna try that a little bit slow. Ready, 2, 3, and play. That's just a fun one to learn. And now we're gonna go once at tempo. 1, 2, ready, and. Nice job. And then we've got code name band. I'm going to play the track here. Hopefully you can hear it on the recording, and we're going to play along with it. It's kind of a long song, and I do have to scroll because I'm on my computer. So here we go. We're going to start with 2 measures of rest. 1, 2, measure 3. Here we go. Measure 7. Measure 11, dance break. Measure 15, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest, rest. Rest, rest, rest. Rest, rest, rest. Measure 25. 1, 2, ready, play. 29. All right, happy practicing, everybody.